my guy. Holy fuck.
Church was bleeding all over the place. People said the name of the building was Smokemont Baptist Church, an old one.
This is a redwood tree, and down here is a little redwood sprout. And over here we have a little albino red.
I like to smile family dental vision. Unit 101 and 102, 1443877. Or call I like to smile family dental 604-757-2700.
So the second time did the psycho music start playing in your mouth? I love stuffed animals, but it can be a creepy.
The fuck?
I was summoning him from the amulet. I had no idea how to force him back in.
Fuck?
This was going to be a problem. A big problem.
Great circle of close friends that I have so much fun with. That's a priority
What
in my
the
life.
fuck?
And it was a priority in my business. Fun. It's
Fucking
number
idiot.
one in developing teams, I believe. But in addition to that,
God,
I just have to be productive. I do need a shrink, don't I? Do you have one in the house?